In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone at the bottom left corner. If it's not visible, click on the gear icon on your toolbar and scroll to select the voice section available here. Voice input. Now apply one of those, Samsung or Google. Let's start with Samsung. When you tap on it, you can adjust all of those options and then go back to your keyboard to tap on no visible microphone. Make sure to tap on while using the app and then agree. Then start typing. When you're done, tap on the same microphone. When it's blue, that means that voice typing is on. If you want to use Google One, which is personally my favorite, tap on it, go back and click on the same microphone. Start typing. And when you pause, it will automatically disable. You can manage it thanks to this button. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!